Are you using PTC Creo, Windchill, Solidworks, or other enterprise applications? Imagine having instant access to the exact information you need, precisely when you need it. Introducing Punditas AI's knowledge tags, the revolutionary way to organize, classify, and retrieve your data like never before. Tailored to enterprise software like PTC Creo Parametric, Windchill, ThingWorks, SolidWorks, Onshape, and more, the Knowledge Analytics module empowers you to focus on the information that matters most to you. Here's how it works. Knowledge tags are more than bookmarks, they're your personal information assistant. Designed specifically for enterprise software, knowledge tags transform the way you interact with data. From CAD files to IoT solutions, they help you manage complex datasets effortlessly. With knowledge tags, you can organize content for easier access. Create and manage tags for videos, help articles, enhancements, and more. The Tags dashboard keeps all your tagged content in one place, ensuring relevance and efficiency. So, why choose Punditas AI for your data management needs? With its innovative organization, Punditas AI systematically structures your data, making retrieval effortless and intuitive. It enhances efficiency by allowing you to locate critical information quickly, saving both time and energy. Designed with a user-centric approach, it seamlessly integrates into your enterprise workflows, ensuring a smooth and productive experience tailored to your unique needs. Knowledge tags offer structured data access, saving time and boosting productivity. They enhance collaboration and efficiency, helping you find information quickly and focus on achieving your goals. You can use Punditas AI's knowledge tags feature directly within PTC Creo Parametric. In today's world of information overload, Punditas AI's knowledge tags simplify data management, empowering you to work smarter, not harder. Elevate your projects, boost collaboration, and transform your workflows with Punditas AI. For more information, connect with us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter, or email us at contact@punditas.com.